And the third type of basil we're going to talk about is Thai basil. And Thai basil is a little more licoricey, kind of fennel-y in flavor. I love matching the type of basil or herb that we're talking about with the culinary that best fits that herb. And Thai basil with Thai food, it just conjures up all kinds of thoughts of cleansing and detoxifying, blood cleansing, organ cleansing. And Thai food, when you think about it, it has so many pH balancing and cleansing aspects with the chilies, the ginger, the Thai basil, the citrus, and so it's just a really wonderful detoxifying basil, and I see that a little bit as the highlight of this particular type of basil. And there is actually a little liver detoxifying suggestion with Thai basil, which is to, again, tear or chop up your Thai basil and get about a nice packed tablespoon. And then you take that just in one shot. Just take that down with some water, and that nice concentrated dose of the Thai basil will have some really nice detoxifying properties for both your body and your liver. Internally, you'll see again some of the stress relieving aspects. It helps reduce cortisol levels in the body. It's very good for mouth health and keeping your mouth healthy. That is due to its high antibacterial properties. And you can also de-stress it with a really nice cup of Thai basil tea. And in fact, if you have a couple different basils growing at home or access to them, I would just do a mixed cup of basil tea as a nice calming, de-stressing tea. Thai basil is also the most friendly to the skin. It's a great one to do your own home infusion for toner or just a refreshing kind of facial rinse or splash. And you can basically just make a strong tea with the Thai basil, strain off the leaves, and then you could add a little bit of aloe vera or witch hazel or different hydrosol, and then use that as a toner to help cleanse and refresh the skin. If you do this at home, definitely just do small amounts at once, because if you want to keep it for a longer period of time, you will have to use some sort of preservative. But a formula like that should work well in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. And the Thai basil is great for balancing combination skin. If you have combination skin, or maybe it's the change of seasons where your skin is acting up a little bit more, then that would be the perfect time to tie in the Thai basil.